Vitamin D deficiency. What exactly is vitamin D deficiency and how deficient are Indians? 3 out of 4 Indians are deficient in vitamin D, which means that 76% of the population is deficient in vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency leads to several health problems. Listen in to what doctors have to say.
Hypercalcemia is a potentially dangerous health condition when the blood levels of calcium go very high, typically over 11. Now, it can cause symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, generalized weakness, muscle pains, altered mental status. The person may become confused. The person could become dehydrated, develop kidney stones, and rarely kidney failure. It is the result of an altered bone mineral metabolism where there is excessive calcium in circulation, and this can come from a variety of reasons. One common cause is excessive intake of vitamin D. Yes, excessive and unwarranted intake of vitamin D supplements can result in hypercalcemia.
What if I told you that vitamin D toxicity can be fatal? It can cause several problems, even death. Recently, a man in the UK died because of vitamin D toxicity. What exactly is this toxicity? Well, this man was known to be on supplements of vitamin D for 9 months before his death. Excessive vitamin D intake or excessive vitamin D in the body can lead to problems like hypercalcemia, which is excessive calcium in your body. It can lead to kidney problems. It can also lead to heart problems.
We call it a deficiency when the levels of vitamin D are less than 25 nanograms per milliliter. Once vitamin D levels start falling, there will be severe muscle pains, fatigue, tiredness, joint pains. In fact, over a period of time, if vitamin D deficiency is spread across months or years, then there is an increased risk of bone health as well, like osteoporosis.
The symptoms of vitamin D toxicity can range from constipation, weight loss, also poor appetite, nausea and vomiting. In fact, some of these symptoms are such that it can be very difficult to diagnose vitamin D toxicity. Vitamin D is an important vitamin. It's important for keeping your bones healthy, for good teeth, for healthy teeth, for keeping osteoporosis at bay. Also, vitamin D has got anti-inflammatory properties, which means that it can help in preventing several diseases. The best source of vitamin D is sunshine. However, there are dietary sources of vitamin D as well, like fatty fish, for example, or fortified foods. Vitamin D toxicity is usually linked to supplementation of vitamin D, over-supplementation. And that's the reason why, if you do choose to take pills for vitamin D, you must consult your doctor.